Assalamu alaikum students. I wish that you all will be safe and sound and enjoying good health. Let's join me. We will conduct our English class. And for English class today I have taken topic from English grammar, and we will do in our English class today tenses. And today's topic of our class is past perfect tense. But before I will start today's topic in class, I want to discuss what we have completed in our last grammar classes, in our last tenses classes, what we have completed. So first of all, just have a look on the review of last classes. Dear students, we have started past tenses, and in our last classes, we completed past indefinite tense, active voice and passive voice. After this, we done past continuous tense, active voice and passive voice. First of all, I will give you we will revise in first of all these two tenses quickly, and then we will start our today's topic. So let's move. First of all, we completed past indefinite tense, जिसकी उर्दू में पहचान है अलीफ छोटी ये और बड़ी ये, या फिर हमारे उर्दू के सेंटेंसेस था, थी और थे पे खत्म होंगे तो हम ये कहेंगे कि ये पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस है. फॉर एग्जांपल, उन्होंने आम खाए, अली ने खत लिखा था, अम्मी ने खाना पकाया, माली ने पौधों को पानी नहीं दिया, क्या मैंने फिल्म नहीं देखी. यहाँ पे आप ध्यान से देखें, ये बड़ी ये, था, अलीफ, अलीफ और छोटी ये सारे सेंटेंसेस जो हैं वो पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस से बिलोंग करते हैं. आफ्टर दिस वी डिस्कस्ड इस एग्जांपल्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, here is subject, then second form of verb and then object. बेटा look at the examples. उन्होंने आम खाए, they ate mangoes. अली ने खत लिखा, अली wrote a letter. अम्मी ने खाना पकाया, मदर कुक्ड फूड. माली ने पौधों को पानी दिया. फार्मर वाटर्ड द प्लांट्स. मैंने फिल्म नहीं देखी, आई डिड नॉट वॉच द मूवी. यहाँ पे आप देखें कि सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब सारे सेंटेंसेस में यूज हो रही है, इस वजह से ये पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस है. एज आई डिस्कस्ड इन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस, व्हेन वी वर डूइंग, आई डिस्कस्ड इन डिटेल. Then first of all subject will be, then second form of verb and then object. And for helping verb to make negative and interrogative sentences we will use did not. यहाँ पे ये negative sentence में did not इस तरह से use हुआ. When we will convert it in interrogative, हम ये वाला did जो है वो subject से पहले use करेंगे. Then it will become a interrogative sentence, and at the end we will put question mark here. Next, we have completed its passive voices. So students, sentence structure will be like this. In passive voices, past indefinite tense, object, was, were, third form of verb, by and subject. And note, we will put after was and after verb. And for interrogative, we will put was and were before object. यहाँ पे जो mention किया गया है important point कि active voice में past indefinite के हम second form of verb use करते हैं, but एक्टिव वॉइस में ही हम नेगेटिव और इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में वही सेकंड फॉर्म फर्स्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी, बिकॉज हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब डिड का यूज करेंगे. डिड इज ऑलरेडी अ सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, सो मेन वर्ब फर्स्ट हो जाएगा. बट पैसिव वॉइस में इधर इट इज अ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस और इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, वी विल यूज थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. पैसिव वॉइस का रूल है कि फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ओनली थर्ड ही यूज होगी, चाहे पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस हो, चाहे नेगेटिव सेंटेंस हो, और चाहे हम इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस का को लिख रहे हो वहां पे. नेक्स्ट टेंस जो हमने किया, इट वाज पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. सॉरी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू डिस्कस हियर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ पैसिव वॉइसेस. दे एट मैंगोस, मैंगोस वर ईटन बाय देम. They ate mango, mango was. Here is mangoes plural, so here is were, but mango is singular, here I used was. With plural subjects were will be, with singular subjects was will be. I did not watch movie. Movie was not watched by me. Did she water the plants? was were the plants watered by her, because plants are plural. So here will be were. After these plants mean object come here, and water, third form is watered by, she will be converted in her object, in its objective form, that is her. And at the end of the sentence we will put question mark, because this is called interrogative sentence. After this we started past continuous tense students. It's Urdu recognition और उर्दू में पहचान, रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, किसान फसल काट रहा था, तुम अखबार पढ़ रहे थे, ड्राइवर गाड़ी नहीं चला रहा था, क्या मेरे दोस्त मेरे घर आ रही थी. You can see here raha, rahi and rehe is the recognition of continuous, and tha, thi, the is the recognition of past. So it is past continuous tense. Look at the examples of active voice students. वो अखबार पढ़ रहा था, he was reading newspapers. He is subject, then after this was and were we are using according to our subject. He is a singular subject, was. We is a plural subject, so were. Remaining first form of verb ing and then object. वो सबक याद कर रहा था, he was learning the lesson. हम खाना खा रहे थे, we were eating meal. लड़के अपना वादा पूरा कर रहे थे, boys were fulfilling their promise. This is the sentences, these are the sentences of past continuous tense active voice. After this, how we can convert them into passive voices we discussed here. Look at the passive voice structure of past continuous tense. Object, was, were. After this being will be on the place of ing. And after this first form of verb will be converted in third form of verb, then subject. And for negative, after was and after verb we will put not, and the replacement of ing will be being, and then third form of verb by, and then subject. And for interrogative same will be, but was and verb will be before object, and at the end we will put question mark to make the sentences interrogative. Look at the examples of passive voices, how we will convert them. They were eating meal. Meal is singular, so was will be. They is plural, but it is active voice. But when we will make it passive voice, so we will concentrate on object that we are bringing on the place of subject. Meal was being eaten by them. They were fulfilling their promise. Their promise was being fulfilled by them. My mother was not telling story. So here will be story was not being told by my mother. Tell, told and told. Boys and girls were not taking class. Class was not. Boys and girls are plural, so that's why were is here, but here is class singular, so was not, being on the replacement of ing, and take first third form is taken by boys and girls, and at the end full stop. For interrogative sentences we will put question mark here. Let's move forward to our today's topic, that is past perfect tense. Today we will do active voice of this tense, and in next classes we will concentrate, or we will do, or will continue the passive voice of this sentence. So students, first of all we will see is Urdu recognition, as we are watching or we are seeing or we are observing in all tenses. First of all हमें ये पता होना जरूरी है कि जो सेंटेंस उर्दू में क्या पहचान होगी, क्या चीज है जो उर्दू में उसके एंड पे आ रही होगी, तो हमें पता चलेगा कि ये टेंस जो है, ये सेंटेंस जो है वो इस टेंस से बिलोंग करता है. यहाँ पे उर्दू रिकग्नाइजेशन इज चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, या फिर अलिफ था, छोटी ये थी और बड़ी ये थे. दिस इज द उर्दू रिकग्नाइजेशन ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. Look at the examples, so you can, for English, first of all positive sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences. All tenses have three types of sentences: positive, negative or interrogative. Positive sentence, subject plus had, third form of verb and object. In present perfect tense we are using has and have according to our subject. In singular subjects we are using has, and in plural subject we are using have. But here in past perfect, either subject is singular or plural, we are using helping verb had, and after this third form of verb and object. For negative we will put not after had, and for interrogative had will be before subject and at the end of the sentence question mark is necessary or is compulsory. Look at the examples. मैं खाना खा चुका हूँ. This is past perfect. चुका हूँ. I had taken breakfast or I had taken meal. अब मैं खाना खा चुका हूँ. I had taken meal. और मैं नाश्ता कर चुका हूँ. I had taken breakfast. वो ये मसला हल कर चुके हैं. They had solved this problem. खाने की इंग्लिश स्टूडेंट्स मील होगा, और यहाँ पर अगर नाश्ता हो, मैं नाश्ता कर चुका हूँ, then it will be breakfast. वो ये मसला हल कर चुके हैं. They had solved this problem. तुम किताब नहीं रख चुके हो. You had not kept the book. Keep third form is kept. वो मुझे धक्का नहीं दे चुका है. He had not pushed me. क्या वो नहा चुकी है? Had she taken bath? क्या वो खिड़कियां बंद कर चुका है? Had he closed the windows? Negative sentences में had के बाद you can see that here not we are putting, and for simple sentences after had third form and this is object, subject had third form, this is object, and not for negative sentences, and at the end of the interrogative sentences we are putting here question mark. क्या वो खिड़कियां बंद कर चुका है? Had he closed the windows? Some more examples. दरवाजे पर दस्तक कौन दे चुका है? कौन is who. Who had, here will be H, H-A-D, had. Here is little spelling mistake, students. Had, H-A-D, had. Who had knocked at the door? Who कौन had knocked at the door? Here H will be H-A-D, had knocked at the door. Here H is missing here. उसको किसने मारा? Who had beaten me? Like this, who had like this. H, small h will be here also. Student, please don't do this mistake. By mistaken H is skipped from here. Who like this had, here also will be H. Had beaten me. उसको किसने मारा? Who had beaten him? या मुझको किसने मारा? Who had beaten me? यहाँ पे अगर मुझ हो, मुझको किसने मारा या मुझे किसने मारा, तो आएगा who had beaten me. लेकिन उसको किसने मारा? Who had beaten him? H-I-M, him, H-I-M, him. उसको किसने मारा? Who had beaten him. So these are the examples of past perfect tense. These examples by mistake here H is skipped and here will be him. But अगर यहाँ पे मुझे हो, मुझे किसने मारा, तो ये सही है who had beaten me. But उसको की English है him. Who had beaten him. So these are the examples that I discussed with you, students. Look at your homework, please. Your homework practice of this tense on your notebooks. Kindly write the Urdu sentences on your notebook and convert them into English or translate them into English. Allah Hafiz.